Hey guys, it's Alec here from Build Nerd, and in today's video we're 3D printing BD-1 from Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. Let's check it out. So one of the many great things about Star Wars is the droids, and BD-1 is no exception. He was a fantastic addition to the game and really brought some humor and heart to a lot of the scenes. Now, I don't want to spend too long talking about the game, but I did want to mention it a little bit. This game was a great single-player game. It was a great Star Wars game in general, and I love playing it, and I cannot wait for a sequel. Alright, so now that we've talked about the game a bit, let's talk about the 3D print. This model of BD-1 was found on Thingiverse and printed in some ceramic white and majestic purple PLA. I wanted to print BD-1 in some different colors as opposed to the ones we see in the game, and I can always paint the model to match the game later. This model took a while to print, but it came out pretty good. Unfortunately, everything except the neck and head of the model is static, although with some work, joints could be added to the ankles, knees, and hips to make the model more movable. I'd also love to add some LEDs and other lights to make the model more like what we see in the game, but that's another day and another video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.